Fugitive. How can you come at somebody place? Come say you have a suspicion of fugitive. You don't come see man I place. You don't come see no fugitive. You don't come see nobody. So when you look at him do and go in the house. So you will have man. You have to hold man with fugitive for saying the hey man, this is Jamaica yeah. It have to sing with the whole of we.
Unfortunately, plane do an emergency landing around the sea area, the White Sand Beach, not the restaurant, the beach. However, civilian citizen reached before the Jamaica Constable Force. Upon arrival, they don't draw any yellow tape, no forensic citizens do their own thing, a drive plane as you can see on the media, and them do their own investigation. Rocky Point is a one-way in community. If they want to find fugitive the night that they arrive on the scene, where they didn't block the road and search from home to home, they come and one somebody yard, see yard where they fix it from, one person yard, and they only for what I don't know. Then last Sunday they search yard without a film, without initiative in the house, and they search the house and they take up how much thousand. And they were on him for Sunday, and all I know they can't let him then come back to do a next search again. For what? Ask Andrew Wallace how the plane reach Jamaica. The man cannot know that Andrew Wallace to know where they ready and pick up a plane where I land in Jamaica. Oh! Mike Henry said the plane supposed to land in Vernon Field. Why do I take it for Rocky people? If you go down and get a bit, go find out who out there and go do investigation. You want to one person in a Rocky Point. One person. I don't know, one person in Rocky, more than 1,000 people there Rocky Point. And all I know, I want somebody yard then dead. So that means a fugitive gone a yard long time, go back reach Mexico and go to book flight gone a yard long time.
Them come and search, the coffee lock, go inside, search, take what they want, and take what they don't want, and come out. And when them come out, and when them come back, now them come back today again. From about 11 o'clock, 10 after 3. What they searching looking for? Ganja, coke, gun, dead man, living man. What them looking for? A woman? Money, what are they looking for? This how was a day. From the day, 5 years ago now, it up in White Sand Beach. From the day up in White Sand Beach until today, police not have come terrorize him. He might most this, he might most that. They all got to point that's they all give him sitting for carry, and when they give him for carry, them same one call the police who hold him on the highway with it. Give him sitting for their auntie. And when time he take it, and when time they hold him, drugs they have in it. Then him a got court feet, see him way. In the urban play, in here, no peace. A man paranoid. No peace. No peace. Plane coming in the district, and it a circle right round and round the district. So tell you go make crash land. In IC, they must say in taking fugitive. Oh, could a man, when no say every 24-hour police are come in place, I go care fugitive go put in place. Tell me. Eh? They must say no the panic play. About 40 and 15 gallons petrol in it. And I citizens then take it off. They have a all boat over the district. They have a all boat. But the police then come to no investigating. Then just comes up grab a one-man yard.
See a patient where go on. Plane come and the whole away seat a ground and run go up, they go look and everything. And 3 man go look. How this happen? I ain't put up man. How you have to put up pilot? The pilot then gone about their business and at this yard then take set pan. You can't have pilot in a house pan. He said the police then concerned. And not find nothing and still a come back.
If them in a come round and go ask, people that won't tell them, they don't know all in here my boy, them we can't wait man, they go put them in a vaccine bag and carry them away. They don't want to hear man. They don't want to hear, they don't ask nothing. Then just come yes up, sitting at 7:30 and by 11 o'clock, a yard full. A yard full of police. And soldier come take it, come for him. He no did it. He man no did it. And then broke down the man back door and go in a place and search up and take away money where they want to take up. Nobody at all know that yard. We don't know who they read search warrant to, or if they have none. Nobody. So in the fan go out to station and fan go to station. Fan go to station, they will and fan him till now. And they have him in the house, from 11 o'clock in the house and now after 3. I'll know. I'll know.
After 11 this morning, then they know after 4 p.m. What are they looking for? And they already do a thoroughly search from Sunday. One thoroughly search from Sunday, man over here hungry and want dead like they want to starve. We want justice. They can't take one pound people. And your oldness Edmund Bartless and Orange Strong, we need to keep people that do their job and talk make sense do their job because we cannot do it because we don't know. We can't talk because we don't know. If they want information, they need to go send out the team and make them go walk house to house. I want house then they put for news so them walk house to house. I want house, see one house then.
So
we need justice and every time they do it. If fly rocky, they say him, make it fly. If rain fall, they say him. If breeze blow, they say him.
I want man there, I want God.
We want justice. They lock him up for 1 hour so they do interview for 1 hour. Now all I know is somebody do interview can't present himself. Jamaica don't have resources to do interview what they want to except for somebody. Now forensic they got the plane, you know if the plane crash or drop it up out of the sky or where it come from. Nobody know about their plane up the rocky people are flying. We need to do better, we need justice. Ask Andrew Wallness say where I plane reach a Jamaica. He ask him man, why man a gun, why man a brother?